for to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1975 Chevrolet Silverado. 350 small block Chevy power underneath the hood. Paired up an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the front chrome. Bumper, grille, headlight surrounds. This is a fiberglass hood. And I do want to mention this will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Be able to see the underside of the truck, interior, engine bay. Close-ups of these American Racing chrome wheels will also be on the website. I left the passenger window rolled up. I did want to mention that they do have tinted side windows. So know your local and state laws as far as your percentage of window tint in the darkness that you can have. As you can see, wheel flares. Didn't notice there's a hairline. Got a crack in that one right there. Paint says medium blue metallic. Shows well. Bed liner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also as we take a look at the rear and the chrome bumper. A few just little things in that tailgate, pretty small. Once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. This truck does have a Dana 44 front differential as well as a 12-bolt posi rear end. Engine has a mild cam to it. I'm going to point this out. A little bit of kind of corrosion there. Be a fun truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Who doesn't like a lifted 4x4? All right, let's check out this interior a little bit. I'm probably just going to reach in and start it up. We'll take a peek at it here. Door panels. And again, you'll be able to see all this in the still pictures. Bench seat. Free of rips, tears, holes. Take a look at the dash. Didn't notice there's an aftermarket tack over here, it looks like. I have not noticed that working, and then there's a couple aftermarket gauges below the dash here also. It's fired up. Oil pressure gauge working. Sliding rear glass. Flip around the back to hear this run. Little rumble coming out of that 350. I'm going to slip up to the front, pause this 1 second. Let me get that hood open. We'll take a quick peek at the engine bay. Then remember, stick around to the end. We'll do a little driving video on this. You kind of get a virtual ride in, so to speak. Go look at the underside of the hood. Fiberglass hood. There it is. Nice, clean, tidy looking engine bay. That 350 small block Chev, power steering, power brakes, headers, HDI ignition. Chevrolet Silverado. Good looking 4x4. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable at 10 years. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1960 1975 Chevy Silverado with 38.5-inch tires on it and a nice lift and an awesome blue color with a great looking hood. Just a very eye-catching, fun truck. Also a great running truck. Awesome exhaust sound. Our blower motor works, our wipers work. Cloth seats, very comfortable. Under the dash we have an oil pressure gauge reading 60. Temperature reading about 170 right now. A little bit of play in the steering, that is pretty typical for this era of truck. The factory amp gauge is a little over half. The one under the dash is not reading. Blower motor and wipers also working on this truck. It's an automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. Fender flares, just a great looking truck, and it doesn't ride that bad on the mud tires and a big lift. Sometimes they can be pretty harsh, and this one is not too bad. Feel the road just enough. Cornering is good. Is fresh, and you can tell it's got good power to turn those big wheels. A lot of pictures to look at. Check out all the details. Look at the suspension from underneath. Head over to uniqueclassiccars.com for those pictures.